Hello friends, welcome to Digiliterate YouTube channel. On this channel, I talk about SaaS product reviews, online money making, internet marketing and technology. So if you are interested in any of these, make sure you subscribe now. Now this is going to be a different video. This is going to be a product review. So we all know now, if you are from India or even if you are from USA and UK, you know that there is a Shark Tank, right? So Shark Tank is basically where business owners are meeting investors to get more investment into their company for getting some equity, right? So in this episode I'm going to review a product called as Get-A-Whey. So I have this product called as Get-A-Whey with me. So basically it's an ice cream. So I was just also seeing the episode of Shark Tank India, and I thought this is going to be a great product. Number one thing is this is a healthy category product. That means in this category they have no added no sugar in their product. So it's a guilt free ice cream. So they have raised 1 crore for 15% of their company. So if you're from India, you know that it's a big amount for that, right? So I ordered this from Instamart from Swiggy, and I got this for like 67 rupees, that is around $1. And let us see how the product is. Like the name Get-A-Whey, that means Get-A-Whey. Whey is a type of protein, so it has around 10 gram of proteins, and they claim to be a healthy product. Now let me try it and see it for you, right? So I just opened this box. They also have this spoon included in the inside it, and this is how the ice cream looks like. So I have bought this Belgian chocolate ice cream. They also have keto version of their ice cream that you can definitely try out. Now let me try this ice cream. So it's almost like a regular ice cream, but the sweet taste is not from sugar. They have added some other things in it, like they have added erythritol in it to get that sweetness. It's not much sweet. It's in the healthy category, and I think I did not found this product's taste to be something different out of the box. There are this same ice creams available in the market, so I don't know where they stand. But if you are looking for a guilt-free ice cream, then definitely this is a must-try ice cream, right? And I'm also going to review other products like chips and other that are also in the healthy category. So see you then. And I think if you are looking for a healthy ice cream with also protein, it has 12 gram of proteins, then you must definitely try this. It has no sugar added in it. I am going to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Do leave below a comment what you thought about this video. If you have any comments, if you have any improvement suggestion, I will see you in my next video.